फीमेल सेक्सुअल सेटिस्फैक्शन, फीमेल क्लाइमैक्स, फीमेल ऑर्गेज्म, ये होता क्या है? Today, I, Dr. Sudeshna Ray, would talk about facts of female sexual pleasure. Well, ऐसा क्यों है कि we are always so confused about female sexual satisfaction or female sexual pleasure, whereas we are not so confused about male climax. This is because we think that male ejaculation is an evident signal of the male coming, whereas in females ऐसा कोई well defined event नहीं होता है, ऐसा कोई clear signal नहीं होता है. So, what are the components of female sexual pleasure? 1. Desire for sex. Sex करने की इच्छा या physical attraction towards the partner. This is of course the first step. 2. Arousal on stimulation or even sexual thoughts. Each part of the body has different stimulating points, including the brain. A partner needs to know about these particular sexual points or particular sexual stimulating points in the other partner. ये स्टेट में पूरे बॉडी में ब्लड फ्लो ज़्यादा हो जाता है, हार्ट रेट और ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. हैप्पी एंड सेक्सुअल हार्मोन्स जैसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन, डोपामिन, सेरोटोनिन ये सब निकलता है, विच मेक्स द वुमन एंजॉय द होल सेक्सुअल एक्ट. दिस कैन ऑल्सो लीड टू लुब्रिकेशन. 3. सेटिस्फैक्शन या ऑर्गेज्म. ऑफन इसको फीमेल क्लाइमैक्स बोलते हैं. It's a series of rhythmic contractions which happens internally in the muscles of the womb, in the muscles of the vagina and in the muscles down the pelvic floor. कभी कभी पूरे बॉडी के मसल्स में भी contractions होते हैं. Sexual tension पीक पे जाके रिलीज होता है and पूरे बॉडी में एक warmth या गर्मी छा जाती है. The heart rate and the blood pressure also increases. Soon after this, the body relaxes and slowly the heart rate comes back to normal. Now this female orgasm can come through penetrative sex, can come through nipple stimulation, can come through clitoral stimulation or even masturbation. Now ये बिल्कुल ज़रूरी नहीं है कि females and males have to climax together और penetrative sex से ही female climax आना चाहिए या female climax is associated with female ejaculation. And सबसे important बात यह है कि it is definitely not true that without an orgasm or without a climax, a female sexual satisfaction अधूरा रहता है. Female sexual satisfaction can be completely achieved but without an orgasm, without a climax. In fact, very few women end up in having a female orgasm or a climax through sexual intercourse, but they still go ahead and enjoy the whole act. Female sexual pleasure कोई rocket science नहीं है. It is as easy and as achievable as male climax. The only probably a little difference between male and a female sexual satisfaction is that there is a big component of emotion and psychological satisfaction with female sexual pleasure. अगर पार्टनर से अट्रैक्ट नहीं है, अगर मन अशांत है, अगर रजामंदी नहीं है या फॉर एनी रीजन शी इज़ नॉट फीलिंग क्लोज टू हर पार्टनर, तो सेक्सुअल सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलना या सेक्सुअल सेटिस्फैक्शन अचीव करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. थिंग्स टू इम्प्रूव फीमेल सेक्सुअल प्लेजर और फीमेल सेक्सुअल सेटिस्फैक्शन. 1. Open communication between partners and having a healthy relationship other than the bed. 2. Talk about sex without any inhibitions. 3. सेक्स को एक टास्क ना समझ के, एक पाप ना समझ के, एक एंजॉयबल एक्ट समझो. 4. Explore your partner's body and let your partner explore your body physically. 5. Climax के बारे में ज़्यादा ना सोच के just enjoy whatever you are doing. Now certain stages in a woman's life जैसे pregnancy, post childbirth, breastfeeding, menopause, these can affect the desire for having sex. And if the desire is affected, the arousal, stimulation and climax can also get affected. Your partner should respect these physical limitations and act accordingly. बढ़ता हुआ उम्र या increasing age is also a factor responsible for a reduced desire, a slow climax and a slow arousal. But the trick is to have sex regularly to keep the hormonal levels up and also to keep the sexual tracts healthier and lubricated. Having an enjoyable sex is beautiful. It is very satisfactory. It is healthy and it keeps one younger, provided इसमें कोई fear ना हो, anger ना हो, sadness ना हो, guilt ना हो या pain ना हो. And again, कोई यार्ड स्टिक जैसे कि फीमेल क्लाइमैक्स या फीमेल ऑर्गेजम, इसके पीछे ज़्यादा मत भागना. जस्ट एन्जॉय वॉट यू आर डूइंग टू गेट योर सेक्शुअल प्लेजर एंड योर सेक्शुअल सेटिस्फैक्शन. You can always write to me at drsudeshnacares@gmail.com.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.